On Saturn, with the magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Magnets, scissors, paper clips, staplers, calculators, pencil sharpeners, tape, glue, paint brushes, push pins, colored pencils. She has some magnets. He has some pencil sharpeners. She has some push pins and paper clips. He has some scissors and glue. Does she have any pens? No, she doesn't. She doesn't have any pens. She has some colored pencils. Does he have any paintbrushes? Yes, he does. He has some paintbrushes. Does she have any staplers? Yes, she does. She has some staplers. Does he have any tape? No, he doesn't. He doesn't have any tape. He has some calculators. Well done, everyone. Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.